So design Tm for L equal to a raised to n, b raised to n greater than equal to 1. So let us assume that on the tape we have a string given, so which is divided in terms of different tape units. So a b b b b, which is valid string, and we will assume that both the ends are both the ends of the string would be accompanied with b. So on the tape we have a and on the tape we have b. So we will construct this Turing machine using a transition table. So on the tape we have a and b and capital B. Along with this, for each occurrence of a we will replace it by capital X, and each occurrence of b we will replace it by capital Y. Fine. So let us start with Q0. So we are at this position Q0A. Okay, then we are going to make change as Q1XR. What this will do is it will make this A as X and it will move to R, because we have to skip all these A and we have to find out respective B. So here we have Q1. Now again next one is A. So we are in state Q1, so we have to skip this, so we will write Q1AR, which will be continued for this as well as this. Now we will be getting B. So Q1B would be, now we have to make this as Y and we have to come back. So Q2YL. Now while coming back we will be getting A, so all of them should be skipped, so as we have to reach till this X, so Q2AL. So it will skip this A, it will skip this A. Now we got X. So when we reach to X, we have to again go back to next A. So we have to shift to right, and we already made this occurrence of A replace occurrence of A by X in state Q0. So what we will do is all would be skipped. When it reaches to X, we will write Q0 XR. So it will come over here. So again Q0A, so Q1 XR, Q1A, Q1 AR, Q1A, Q1 AR, Q1 Y. Now we have to skip, so we'll write Q1 YR. So it will be here Q1 B would be Q2 YL. So this will be replaced as Y. So it will come back. So Q2 Y now, which is to be skipped. So Q2 YL. Q2A, Q2A would be Q2AL, Q2AL, Q2X we got again Q0XR. So Q0A, Q1XR, Q1A, Q1AR. Okay, then Q1Y, Q1YR, Q1YR, Q1B, Q2YL, Q2Y, Q2YL, Q2Y, Q2YL, Q2A, Q2AL, Q2X. Now we'll be again getting Q0XR. So we are here now. Q0A would be Q1XR, Q1Y, Q1YR, Q1Y, Q1YR, Q1Y, Q1YR, Q1B is Q2YL. So now we have to come back. Q2Y, Q2YL, Q2Y, Q2YL, Q2Y, Q2YL, Q2X is Q0XR. So now this tells us that all A's are over. Now we are going to check, we are going to skip everything. So when we get Q0XR, we will be getting here. So we will be getting Q0Y. So I will write here as Q3YR, and we are supposed to get only Y's now. So we will write Q3YR, and towards the end we will get B. So either you write accept or you write QFBN. So all entries here other than this would be empty. So this is how one can get Turing machine for this string. So let us take a string to be suppose A, B, 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 capital B. So we know that this doesn't fit here, but we will check it. So Q0A, Q1XR, Q1A, Q1AR, Q1B, Q2YL, Q2A, Q2 A, Q2AL, Q2X, Q0XR, Q0A, Q1XR, Q1Y, Q1YR, Q1B, Q2YL, Q2Y, Q2YL, Q2X we said Q0XR. Now we know that all A's are over, so Q0A, Q0 X, Q0, now we don't have A, so we'll be getting directly Y. So Q0Y would be Q3YR, Q3YR. Now we are getting Q3B, so this is not defined, so this string is not accepted. Fine. So let us take another one pattern to be different. For example, 3 A's and 2 B's. So Q0A, Q1XR, Q1AR, Q1AR, Q1B, Q2YL, Q2AL, Q2AL, Q2X, Q0XR, Q0A, Q0XR, Q1XR, Q1AR, Q1YR, Q1B, Q2YL, Q2YL, Q2AL, Q2X. Q2X would be what? Q0XR. Now Q0A again, Q1XR, Q1YR, Q1YR. Now we got B. So Q1B we don't have anything. So this would be again not accepted.